source and observer moving at same angle. See what is the source and observer moving at the same angle. The first one, what is there? Observer at rest. Observer at rest. For example, this is considered observer. Observer at rest. At rest is nothing but V naught is equal to 0. Now here is considered the source. What is considered this source? Okay. Now source is moving. This is the direction actually. What is the velocity there? The source of velocity is there Vs. Source, it is an observer. Now if the source is moving, this is the direction actually is. But it is the resolve. It's the two rectangular components. One component is towards the observer. Towards the observer. The making of angle is the theta. See this called as a component is the component visual is the horizontal component is the cos Vs cos theta. Now this Vs is moving towards the observer. Towards the observer. What is the frequency is there? F dash is equal to F into V by V minus Vs. Source is moving towards observer. What is the formula? F dash is equal to F into V by V minus Vs. But here the Vs is the what is the component is there? Vs cos theta. We can substitute here the F dash is equal to F into V by V minus Vs into cos theta. See, this is the formula for the when observer is at rest, it's moving with an angle. And next second condition is there. Source is at rest. What is the source is at? See here, consider the source. Denoted by the S. Source is at rest. The rest is nothing but the velocity becomes 0. And here is considered the observer. What is considered this observer? The observer is denoted by a O and its velocity is denoted by a V naught. Actually, this observer can be moving along straight and this is the direction. How much of the velocity is there? V naught. But it's making up angle. This resolved into two rectangular components. One is horizontal component, another is the vertical component. This horizontal component moves towards of a source. The making of angle is the theta. This component is called as the V naught into cos theta. See, therefore, observer is moving towards source. The source is at rest. What is the formula? Is the frequency F dash is equal to F into V plus V naught by V. What is the formula? Is F dash is equal to F into V plus V naught by V. But V naught, the component of V naught, how much is there? V naught cos theta. Then we can substitute here the F dash is equal to F into V plus V naught into cos theta by V. See, this is the formula of a making up an angle. See, next application number 6. When source is at rest and observer moves perpendicular to the line of sight. See, perpendicular line of sight means, for example, it is considered a circle. This is considered a circle. Now the center, what is considered by the source? What is considered as source? Is at rest. It is at rest. Rest is nothing but Vs is equal to 0. And it's perpendicular. This is the radius. And here is considered the object. And it is the perpendicular is moving in a V naught. See, what is the V naught is nothing but velocity of observer. The observer is moves the perpendicular to the source, but the source is at rest. The source is at rest. Now its angle how much is there? Theta is equal to 90 degrees. We know the Doppler effect. According to Doppler effect. Doppler effect. What is the formula is that f dash is equal to f into here making of some angle. Angle means the before we see the some formula, the angle made by f dash is equal to f into. See here, the observer can be moved towards the source or away from the source. Here not the particularly says towards or away from. మరి ఇక్కడ ఖచ్చితంగా మనం చెప్పలేము అన్న టువర్డ్స్ అవుతుందో అవే అవుతుందో కాబట్టి మనం ఏం తీసుకోవాలి v ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ v0 ఇంటూ కాస్ థీటా బై v ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ అంటే టువర్డ్స్ అయితేనేమో పాజిటివ్ అవే అయితేనేమో నెగిటివ్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ టువర్డ్స్ అవే చెప్పాలి కాబట్టి ఏమన్నా v ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ v0 కాస్ థీటా బై v బట్ థీటా ఈజ్ ఇక్కడ మచ్ తెలియదా 90 degrees సిన్స్ cos of 90 degrees is equal to how much is there 0 then f dash is equal to f into v by v since cos 0 is equal to 0 0 into something 0 and f v gets cancelled. So what is there here f dash is equal to f the apparent frequency is equal to actual frequency that means the both of them have the same frequency there is no Doppler effect for here. The similarly same discussing about here the but observer is at rest. So this is the circular path. The center we consider an observer. What is here the observer? Observer at rest. Rest is nothing but v0 is equal to 0 and its radius is r, some radius is r and here is considered by the source is moving perpendicular to the observer. Is moving perpendicular to the observer. Again here the theta is equal to how much is there here the 90 degrees. Again we can find out is the frequency of source. The frequency of the source is again according to Doppler effect. Doppler effect is an angle. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ మనకు సేమ్ కండిషన్ ఇది టువర్డ్స్ అవుతుందో అవే అవుతుందో చెప్పలేదు కాబట్టి కదా దెన్ ద ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ద ఆపరేట్ చేంజింగ్ ద ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ f dash is equal to f into v by v plus or minus vs into cos theta. Here theta is equal to how much is there again the 90 degrees. Cos of 90 is equal to 0 into something 0. What is that? The f dash is equal to f into v by v. The velocity gets cancelled. F dash is equal to f. Again here also what is there? The operant change in the frequency is equal to actual frequency. That means here there is no Doppler effect. When the source is rest, observer can be moving a perpendicular or observer is at rest, the source can be moving a perpendicular. In both conditions there is no Doppler effect because of its actual frequency is equal to apparent frequency. Here the next application for the seventh one. If source is moving towards the wall, this is the source, is moving towards the wall, the speed of Vs and observer is standing is behind the source, that means V0 is equal to 0 because of it is a rest only standing as shown in the figure. Then find out the number of beats. Find number of beats. Beats is nothing but a change in frequency. The change in frequency is nothing but the towards or away. Here the towards or away is nothing but here the source is moves toward the wall, that is called the directed. And when the sound can be reached at the wall and is reflected is there. The first we discussing about the frequency of directed. Frequency of directed. That is denoted by the FD is equal to the frequency of direct is equal to here. Now observing this can be moving towards the wall and it's reflected. That is a direct. And here this image here can be formed. This image can be also show this is the direction. Actually the source is there. When the sound can be reached and reflected. Reflected is nothing but this is the reflected is there. This is the imaginary. That FD is equal to F into V by V plus Vs. V plus Vs because of is the directed is nothing but V plus. Now is the reflected frequency reflected that is the FR denoted by is equal to F into V by V minus Vs. It is compared to the when source is moves toward the observer and away from the observer. Now can observe here towards the observer. Towards the observer means this will be coming by the towards observer. It is will be the away from the observer. Towards the observer will take the V by V plus Vs, and away from the observer take the VR is equal to F into V by V minus. This is the image of the source is denoted by the towards and away from. This is the towards of the observer. It will be the away from the observer. Then number of beats is denoted that is a delta F. Change in frequency. The frequency of direct minus of frequency of reflected. Right here the frequency of direct. The frequency of direct is F into V by V plus Vs minus F into V by V minus Vs. Now here the F into V will be the common 1 by V plus Vs minus 1 by V minus Vs. Similarly, we know the trigonometric formula A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Idea the F into V minus Vs minus V plus into minus Vs plus into minus Vs divided by then we what is the V square minus Vs square and the plus and minus gets cancelled minus Vs and minus Vs minus 2Vs that is F into V minus 2Vs by V square minus Vs square. Here the velocity of sound is greater than of Vs, velocity of source. Then the Vs value can be negligible. Right here the minus 2FV into Vs by V square and VV gets cancelled. VV is gets cancelled. Then we can write the delta of mod. Mod is nothing but we can also write mod minus 2 into F into Vs by V. Then this delta F is equal to 2F Vs by V. This is the formula for the if source is moving toward the wall with the speed of Vs and observer is the standing. If source is moving toward the wall, this is a source is moving towards the wall. Okay, it's with velocity of Vs and observer is standing between the source and wall. The observer is standing between the source and wall. Standing is nothing but at rest. Rest is nothing but V naught is equal to 0. And this source of image because of where the sound is reached by there and its reflector. Reflector is the image of the source. Vs this is the direction. When see observe the source is moves toward the observer. The source is moves toward the observer is nothing but the frequency of directed. Fd is equal to minus Vs. What is the minus Vs. And also reflected. The reflected also moves towards the observer. It is also moves towards the observer. It is also moves towards the observer. That frequency of reflected wave are also Fr is equal to F into V by V minus Vs. In the both condition, the two sound waves are moving towards the observer. Therefore, number of beats delta F is equal to F direct minus F reflected. Right here the F direct F into V by V minus Vs minus F into V by V minus S. The minus is nothing but equal to 0. That means the number of beats is equal to 0 when observer is stand between the wall and source. The source is coming toward the observer and this image also coming to toward the observer. In both conditions they have the same frequency, then the difference will be equal to the 0. Here there is no beats are producing by them in this condition.